Welcome back to Tuchopini. Question 5 follows how sodium metal is extracted in the down cell by electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. We'll read the cell, do the melting point reasoning, and calculate the mass of sodium. Let's go. Here is the down cell. Molten sodium chloride is electrolyzed. In the center, chlorine gas bubbles off electrode B. At the sides, molten sodium collects at the electrode A plates and is drawn off. The steel gauze diaphragm sits in between. Part 1. Identify the anode and cathode with reasons. The rule is, the anode is where oxidation happens, the cathode where reduction happens. Chlorine is made by oxidizing chloride ions, and that's happening at the central electrode B. So electrode B is the anode. Sodium metal is made by reducing sodium ions, gaining electrons, and that happens at the side electrodes, A. So electrode A is the cathode. Part 2. The steel gauze diaphragm. The sodium and chlorine are made very close together, and they would react straight back to sodium chloride. The diaphragm keeps the two products apart, preventing them from recombining. Part 1. Pure sodium chloride melts at 801 degrees, but the cell runs at only 600. How? We mix in calcium chloride. Adding an impurity lowers the melting point, so the mixture melts at around 600 degrees instead of 801. Part 2. The advantage. A lower temperature is cheaper to maintain. It saves fuel and reduces the electricity cost of heating the cell. Part 3. In what state does the sodium come out? Compare the numbers. The cell runs at 600 degrees, but sodium melts at only 97.8 degrees. Since 600 is far above sodium's melting point, the sodium is produced as a liquid. Molten sodium. The electrolysis equation. 2 sodium chloride give 2 sodium plus chlorine. Notice the ratio. Every sodium chloride gives 1 sodium, so we can work by mass proportion. The molar mass of sodium chloride is 23 plus 35.5, which is 58.5. Of that, 23 parts is the sodium, so the mass of sodium is the fraction 23 over 58.5 times the 1,000 kilograms of salt we started with. Working that out gives 393.16 kilograms of sodium. Notice we kept everything in kilograms, so the answer is in kilograms too. Part D. How to store sodium. Sodium is so reactive it bursts into flame with water and tarnishes instantly in air. So we keep it submerged under oil or paraffin. The oil seals it away from air and moisture, which it would otherwise react with violently. Finally, 1 industrial use of sodium. Any one of these earns the mark. It's used as a coolant in nuclear reactors, in the orange sodium vapor lamps that light our streets, and as a sodium-potassium alloy for transferring heat. That's question 5 complete, all 13 marks. We read the down cell, saw why calcium chloride is added, and calculated the sodium produced. Well done. Subscribe to Tuchopini, and I'll see you in the next question.